What? Oh, CR500 build. You're kidding. How good. All right. So we've been trusted with this lovely 2000 model CR500. It is a US import. The thing's clean. So it's pretty much just a tidy up, but still going frame down, frame back to white. Obviously someone's done a lovely black paint job on it. But then, yeah, the rest we're just going to try and keep nice and neat and tidy, clean everything up, new rim spokes, wheel build, clean the engine up, bolt kit for it. Yeah, just little bits and pieces, clean up the brakes, all that sort of stuff. Handlebars, few OEM pieces and parts to come, just the tiny little things, like brake spring return, little bits and pieces. So it's yeah, it's going to be good. Just a simple one, nothing too crazy. If you wanted to go, you can go crazy with these things. So we get cracking, pull this thing down, frame it, get everything out, start blasting some stuff. I've got the vapor blaster here, so get some stuff in the blast cabinet, bearings, all that sort of stuff. We'll get all them done. So yeah, watch along, have fun. Comments below if you don't like what you see. It's gonna be good. Haven't done one of these before. Everyone loves a good CR500, so we'll get it pulled apart and go from there. Oh yeah, and we're back. Day 2 on the CR500 build. As you can see, the frame has disappeared and turned into a makeshift tyre changing. Don't yell at me, it works, so just go with it. Yeah, it's all happening. So we already got new tyres, we've got some new stuff here, which is good. I know they're not OEM bearings and stuff. Some people will be like, oh, wait. Look, we're doing a build that's still going to be sick. So, OEM bearings or not, or OEM this and that and whatever. Engine's quite dirty, so I still have to make a decision on how far I'm going to go with this, but I've got a couple of weeks, so give that a big clean up, give everything else a clean up. Spec bolt engine kit coming for that, which will be sick, and finish it off. Dan, MXRP, SVB, they're going to get their prismatic coatings onto that, so that's gone back to a nice yellow. Look, it took 2 seconds to pop the spring off the shock, so may as well. That's going, they'll go back to black. I'll just handle that, that's no problems. Grab myself a bolt kit. I've already got 4 of the things or whatever, but another one doesn't hurt because sometimes you miss them. Yes, I've got an engine bolt kit coming, but these are worth their weight in gold. So always have one of those on hand. I thought these needed to go to Dan to get coated again, but that's just one trip through the blaster. I paint stripped them, and that's just one go. So look, I'll get some more paint strip on there, and then yeah, clean, rebuild carby. Doesn't need new bearings, so just clean them up. Rebuild on the brakes. They're pretty not done, but they'll come up schmick with a full rebuild through them. That's cooked. That doesn't need to be there. Radiator hose, we've got a new one. We don't need that. That needs a clean. Clean up the full shock and everything, so everything will go back all nice. Yes, it won't have a new shock rubber on it, but it will still come up sick and look nice. Pack on the muffler and a full clean up. We don't need that. We don't need one of them. They can go through the blaster. They'll come up nice and sick. Full clean up and back to OEM spec on that. So I'll paint strip them and get them all cleaned up back to OEM. A little bit of work to do on that brake there. But all in all, for a 2000 model black, this is pretty good. Nothing crazy popped out. No seized bearings, no broken bearings. They were all fine. The steering head was a bit tight. New bearings anyway, because we've got to blast them and pull them out and whatever. So yeah, stick around. Wheels coming apart today, and then just to clean up. We've got a couple of weeks before the frame gets back, so we'll clean. I'll try and capture as much of that as I can, and yeah, we're cruising. So stay tuned, check it out. Let's go. All right, going to jump in here, but killing it, mate. Keep up the good work. I hate the sound of my own voice. Editing this stuff and doing everything myself is is what it is, but we're doing it. Going to chop it here. Going to keep this one a tear down video. The next one we'll do the full rebuild and full reveal and everything. So make sure you tune in for that one. But as you can see in the background, we've already got the next build on the go. But yeah, stick around. I'll chuck in a little bit of pulling the wheels apart and a couple of bit of vapor blasting so you can sort of see where we're at. So yeah, stick around to the end. But yeah, if you can, please like, share, and subscribe. It's fully cliche, I know, but it all helps, and it is what the YouTube sort of algorithm goes on, and we can get this thing going. But yeah, if you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.